Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be reviewing a bag from Range Leather, and this isn't a new company to me. I have one of their bags already, but this is a new company to my YouTube channel, and I'm excited to unbox a new bag for you and give you my first impressions as well as compare it to my other bag. Here's the box. Let's jump in. Let's jump in. That's what I always say. Okay. Okay. Let's see. It's a big box, which is a good thing. Well, I'm always scared because this one time I opened a box with scissors and I scratched the leather. So I go really shallow on the scissors and sometimes it doesn't cut through. Okay. Okay. Ah! One more. They use good tape, I tell you. Okay. Come on. Maybe I have bad scissors. That could be it. We did it. We got it open. First impressions. Join me. Okay, I see a dust bag. Oh! I was told this will come with the package. This is Range Leather Cream. Restore, waterproof, protect. I have never used a cream like this. I'm gonna open it really quick. Otherwise I'll forget. No smell. Looks like this. Maybe this is a little easier for like little areas, you know? It doesn't, you can work on like a little spot. Okay, it says here, first clean the leather. Number 2, apply a small amount onto lint-free cloth. Rub in circular motions until fully coated. Number 3, dry for an hour. Apply more coats if needed. Let cure for 24 hours. Not recommended on suede or nubuck. And it's got beeswax and blend of seed oils. Okay, very cool. Thank you for sending me that. And a little card, little business card that says Range Leather. And their logo. Okay, we good? Oh, more. This is just probably paperwork. And this is cool. This is in Laramie, Wyoming. They actually have a store. I would love to go there someday. And that was their postcard that they sent. And here's the back. Okay, so that's the packaging. Throw this over here. Get the dust bag. What we really want to see here. Range Leather logo. You guys care about, you know, dust bags and logos and branding? I feel like it makes the company more full of pride, maybe. You know, they're really excited about the full experience. Okay, so this bag I know is called the Creston Crossbody. Oh my. Okay. Look at this size. I was expecting, I don't know what I was expecting. I had no expectations. I think that's what I was feeling. So for size, can you see? The dimensions here are 5.5 in length, 9 in height, and 3 1/4 in width. And it's more of a messenger bag. And okay, we have magnetic closure right here. That was really a strong closure. It's finding the magnet and it's holding really well. Oh, look at this leather. My goodness. This is beautiful. Okay, let me open it up. The inside of this leather, it looks like that. It's more simple, kind of some natural imperfections. Let's fold it open and look inside. Very simple, very sweet. Let's look. Do we have enough lighting? We have a nice pocket inside. So let me put my hand in it. It's actually quite wide. I feel like all smartphones could fit horizontally in there. which is nice. And then it's just open. The rest of it's just open. Which light is better, the natural light or my studio light? Very simple on the inside, and on the back there is no pocket, but there is their logo. I mean, let's zoom in on this leather. It has highs and lows and texture. Oh, this is really cool. The strap is not detachable, but I like how it's connected. Just a simple D-ring here. This feels such high quality materials, and the bag is actually really light. This is a very, I need to weigh this. I'll put that on the screen right now, but leather bags aren't light, and this feels very, very light. Did we see, you need to stop moving around. You need to see this leather up close. Look at that. I love it. I actually really like that the finishing on this front is just raw. Can you see the thickness of the leather? It's just raw. There's a little stitching here for the magnet, and then on the back it has some more stitching there. Am I going slow enough? This is beautiful. Ooh, I like this. Okay, I know the strap is adjustable here. And here is what that looks like. They said the dimensions for the strap are 37 to 49 inches. I feel like 47 to 49 is my favorite, so I love that 37 to 49 is what they're offering. Lots of adjustability. Okay, back to more specs. I know this is 5-ounce full grain leather, and that 5 ounce refers to how thick the leather is. It is Horine leather, which is a tannery in Chicago, and they hand dye their leathers. Horine is kind of an industry quality standard for leather from Chicago. So I'm excited to have another one of those leather bags in my collection. And it said on here that the stitching is hand stitching, which is very charming. I don't know what color this is. I'm pretty sure this is, actually I should look that up. I took a quick break there to look up what color this is. This is their natural leather. They have 3 colors: natural, nut brown, and black. And natural comes with these beautiful high and lows. This is very, very cute. I don't know what I was expecting. This is nice. So, okay, more info. Let me read. We have the magnetic closure. They have a forever guarantee, which means if anything happens, just reach out to them and they'll make it right. They'll either replace it, send you a part, you send it back and they'll fix it. I love companies that stand by their bags with guarantees. This retails, the Creston Crossbody retails for $195. It's currently available on their website. Sometimes I share bags with you guys that are like no longer available, and that's not nice to anyone. So this one is available. Go ahead and go get your own, and I should try this on and model it for you. I'll do that right now. Okay, hopefully you can see me in my messy office, but this is the crossbody on me. I am 5'5" in height. Can you see? I didn't even adjust the strap at all. This feels nice. I like having my hand rest here. Very cute. Very simple. This is on the smaller size for messenger for me. It doesn't like bend around my body like some messengers. It's nice. It's just, it'll hold, I think, a lot. I think I would hold your daily essentials for sure, plus a little bit more. Plus when it becomes fall or winter, you're gonna need a space for your gloves and your hat, and that will handle this just well. You could jump on Instagram and see how this looks when I fill it up with just my daily stuff, and I'll post pictures of what that looks like, and there you go. And before I leave you, I wanted to show you my other bag from Range Leather. I don't even remember when I got this. This must have been maybe 3 years ago, and it was I bought it used from somebody on Facebook in a buy-sell group, and this is the Kennedy Crossbody. I don't have a crossbody strap on, but I have the shoulder strap on, which is a shoulder length drop like this. And this color I don't think is available, because if you look, this is their natural. This isn't nut brown and this isn't black. So this must have been an older color that they offered, but here they are side by side. I could tell you the dimensions of this. This is, let's see, 10 inches wide, 11 inches tall, and 4.5 inches deep. And that's really the big difference between these, is going to be in the depth of the bags. So I remember seeing this online and just being really excited about having a simple, kind of like a hobo look to a tote, just very not overthought. On the inside we have one magnetic closure and then one pocket. But to be honest, guys, I haven't used this bag much. I do own several bags, and this one I didn't reach for right away, and then I became a mom and COVID and yada yada. But when I pulled it out to do this video, I was like, excuse me, this bag is gorgeous. Why am I not using this all the time? So maybe some people watching own a handful of bags. Just rotate. We need to rotate our bags. We need to give them all equal amount of love. But yes, so here they are side by side again, and my face. Maybe that's the thumbnail. Yay! And this one does retail for $275. This one retails for $195. And yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and you can follow me on Instagram. I took a break from Instagram for a second. It was becoming all-consuming, but I'm back on there, and I post photos of me wearing these bags, different outfits and scenarios, and just it's a fun time, and it's a good place to ask me questions if ever you have any questions on all my bags. Thanks again for watching. Bye.